Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the Fisch version and locating its config. This avoids chasing mismatched settings. Once done, back up the database, config, and API keys so you can roll back if needed. Then enable verbose logging at debug level to capture errors and decision points. This tells you what the engine is doing and why. Make sure API credentials are valid and that your exchange permissions match required scopes, because invalid scopes produce silent failures. Now perform targeted diagnostics. Replay recent trades from logs or a sandbox feed to reproduce misbehavior, because reproduction narrows the cause. Next, validate order routing details, symbol formats, price/quantity precision, and fee calculations, since tiny mismatches create rejected orders. Also inspect risk filters, API throttles, and system time sync. Drift or rate limits can silently drop or delay orders. If you find a discrepancy, change one variable at a time, and to finish, apply hotfixes and increment the Fisch build, deploying to staging before production so you validate real traffic without risk. Once deployed, monitor fill rate, latency, error counts, and profit impact metrics closely. These show whether fixes actually improve trading behavior. If problems persist, revert to your backup to stop damage and gather logs, config snapshots, and a clear reproduction sequence, then file a detailed bug report. This speeds root cause resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.